This is a DeWalt 60 volt max cordless string trimmer, onto which I've put a replacement DeWalt Quickload trimmer head. This is the new DeWalt 20 volt max folding cordless trimmer, which has a smaller version of the Quickload trimmer head. And this is the Echo SRM-266 gas string trimmer, which has an Echo Speedfeed head. Do you think these trimmer heads might be interchangeable? And if so, how would you go about changing them? Let's find out. All right, this is the Echo Speedfeed right here. With the screwdriver aligned in these holes, you turn this clockwise, and the head will just come right off. It's a left-handed thread. Okay, so here's your Speedfeed head right there. This is the DeWalt 20 volt max. And you see there's a little slot right here. Okay, so you turn the head till the holes right here is aligned with a slot. You put your screwdriver right in there, and then you turn this clockwise. There, it comes right off. Let's see how it sizes up with the Speedfeed. They're about the same size. The 20 volt max Quickload and the Speedfeed are about the same size. I can tell you though, the Speedfeed is more heavy duty. I've taken them both apart and the spring's a lot bigger. Okay, I'm going to move over here to the DeWalt 60 volt max. Okay, see the notch in the shroud and the notch in the washer piece and a hole underneath that. They all line up, and you put a screwdriver in there and you turn this clockwise, and it's going to screw off. Okay, this is the new DeWalt 20 volt max folding string trimmer. So there's this piece here, and it's got two notches there. It goes on just like that. Okay, now here's the new replacement head. Okay, here's the older head. So just in case you wanted to know if you can put the new replacement head. See, it screws right on. So now let's see if a Echo Speedfeed trimmer head will go on to the new DeWalt folding 20 volt max trimmer. And there it goes. It threads right on. Not a problem. It's the same size too. I don't see any problem at all putting the Echo on to the DeWalt 20 volt max folding string trimmer. So take it off. Let's say you'd like to put the Echo Speedfeed on the DeWalt 60 volt max trimmer. Okay. There it goes. This goes right on. I don't see any problem in the world having the Echo Speedfeed on the DeWalt 60 volt max trimmer. And naturally the DeWalt replacement head will fit right on the Echo SRM-266. So that's not a problem either. So there you go. All these heads are interchangeable. The Echo Speedfeed, the DeWalt Quickload, and these are different, but they're interchangeable. You can put this on the 20 volt max. It's not going to be a problem. There's only one older version of the 40 volt max that it won't fit on. It'll fit on everything else by DeWalt. Or you can just put on a Speedfeed head if you want. So I'll put a link in my video description for this replacement DeWalt head. It's the Quickload head. I'll show you how easy it is to reload a Quickload head. Put the arrow in line with the eyelet so that you can see through to the other side from eyelet to eyelet. Then push your string straight through. Get the ends even, then pull all the string till it's tight. Now with one hand on the ring and one hand on the cap, use a ratcheting motion to load up your new spool. Now cut your string to the right length. So there you go. That's what's so cool about these Speedfeed and Quickload heads. I just loaded 20 feet of line into the spool very quickly. So you're on a job site and you run out of line, you want to put some new line on, it's so much easier. I'll also put links for the DeWalt 60 volt max trimmer, the DeWalt 20 volt max folding trimmer, the Echo SRM-266 gas trimmer, and the Echo Speedfeed replacement head. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.